Let's answer the practice exercises for the lesson, Review of Rounding Off Decimals. Let's begin with your student's book. Number 1, for let's practice, round the following decimals to the nearest whole number. So our keyword here is whole number. So let's underline the whole numbers or the ones. Letter A, we have 5. B, we have 8. Letter C, we have 8. Letter D, 3. Letter E, 5. And letter F, we have 9. So you have to look at the numbers next to those underlined numbers. So for letter A, next number to 5 is 4. So again, our rule, if it is 1 to 4, stay or rest. If it is 5 to 9, we have to round up. So next number is 4, so it will retain. 15 will retain or will stay. Letter B, next number to 8 is 0. So let's include 0 in the rule. 0 to 4, we have to retain or the numbers should stay. So this will retain as 8. Nothing will happen. So you have to do the same with letter C up to letter F. Number 2, round the following decimals to 1 decimal place. When we say 1 decimal place, we are referring to the tenths. Okay, so let's underline the tenths in this set of decimal numbers. Letter A, we have 4. B, we have 0. Letter C, we have 5. Letter D, we have 7. Letter E, we have 5 again. And for letter F, we have 8. Okay, so let's answer letter A. 15.49 or 15 and 49 hundredths. So next number to 4 is 9. So based on the rule, we have to round up. So 4 will become 5. So let's write 15 and 4 will become 5. Okay, letter B. 8.09 or 8 and 9 hundredths. Next to 0 again is 9. So we have to round up. So what will happen to 0? It will become 1. So 8.1 or 8 and 1/10. For page 186, you have to use the place value tables to order the following decimals from smallest to greatest. So first, you need to put these decimal numbers inside this place value chart or table, and then after that we will arrange it from smallest to greatest. Okay, let me give you one example. Let's start with letter A. We have 8.56, 8.56, then we have 9.56, and then we have 8.59. So which one is the smallest? So we have two numbers here that begin with 8. But the smallest here is 8.56 because the second number is 8.59. So let's write first 8.56 followed by 8.59 and followed by 9.56. Okay, just follow the pattern and do letter B. Let's go to your workbook. So it's almost the same with the student book. Number 1, round off the decimals to the nearest whole number. By the way, this symbol means is approximately equal to. We use the symbol for rounding off numbers in whole numbers and in decimals. So again, it means is approximately equal to. So we have 3.49. Let's underline the whole numbers first. We have 3, 1, 1, and 0. So you have to get or look at the next number to the right. So the next number to 3 is 4. So based on the rule, we have to retain 3. So our answer will be 3. So 3.49 is approximately equal to 3. Letter B, 1.26 or 1 and 26 hundredths. So next number to 1 is 2. Again, we have to retain. Okay, so The answer will be 1. 1 and 2600 is approximately equal to 1. Number 2, round off the decimals to the nearest tenth. So let's underline the numbers in the 10th place. We have 6, 0, 2, and 9. Then you have to look at the numbers to the right of those numbers. Okay, so we have 6 for letter A. Next number is 5. Okay, so if it is 5 to 9, we have to round up. So what will happen to 6? It will become 7. So the answer will be 0.7. Letter B. Next number to 0 is 7. So we have to round up. So 0 will become 1. So the answer will be 0.1 or 1/10. For comparing and ordering decimals, number 1. Tick the greater decimal number. Letter A, which one is greater, 5.9 or 5.7? Of course, it's 5.9. Number 2, arrange the decimal numbers from the greatest to smallest. So you have to start from the greatest. So which among these 3 decimal numbers is the greatest? So it's 5. 5.99 followed by 4.99 and followed by 4.98.